I'm standing on Quadra Island here, near Campbell River here in Vancouver Island, and it's closed. It's a cultural center for the We Wai Kai Nation building, and in the indigenous language, Gilakasla. Have a good day. It's a pretty spectacular place here. Just look at the view, and I'm going to show you something super amazing in a minute. So keep watching this this video. Look at these. There's two of these beautiful canoes, and I was looking at them a little earlier. There's a woodpecker in the background. This first one is, except for the bow, is carved out of a single cedar log. It's one piece of wood. Let's have a look at it. This piece here, the bow piece, looks like an extra piece of wood. And this huge one, I think it's planks. And because I can see the planks in fiberglass. But look at this, isn't that cool? And then the name on it, there's the name here, Lick It Dock. I'll just give you a sense of where these beautiful boats are. So straight across is the town of Campbell River. Off in the background you can see snow-capped mountains. There's a couple bald eagles flying around, and a little fishing pier here, and a boat shop. Not just around the corners where the ferries go in and out. Beautiful here, eh? There you have it. Beautiful British Columbia.